Get ready to be amazed because this stop scrolling right now thsi is officially taking over the internet. Thsi viral stuff is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes thsi so unique compared to ordinary items is that it works better than anything else in the market. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is, clearly, an absolute lifesaver for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed because this stop scrolling right now thsi is officially